Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15T. In this video I'll show you how to set up D&D mode. To set up D&D mode, firstly swipe down notification bar. Right here you should have D&D mode. Mostly it's indicated by half moon icon. If it's not here, edit the menu and find this icon. Add it to top screen, confirm and tap on it. D&D is now enabled. To manage D&D settings, tap on this icon and hold, and here you can also switch it on or off, enable only when device is locked, notify about calls, notify about repeated calls, or you can schedule D&D mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.